What is up, guys? I'm welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to upgrade your turn signal from a halogen to LED. I'll be using my partners over at Auxito. These are bright, long-lasting, and since me and Auxito is partnered, you will get 15% off using promo code Mark Rodriguez, and that's site-wide. So you don't have to jack the car up. I just did it that way I could fit the camera in here with the tripod and all that. So what you want to do, this is the turn signal. So let me demonstrate the halogen for you real quick, and then we'll proceed. All right, as you can see, that's the halogen bulb. All right, I don't have any splash shields on the Maxima just yet. I just recently finished rebuilding this Maxima. If you follow the channel, and the splash guards is pretty much what I'm missing. But if you have a splash guard, you don't have to take off the whole entire thing. And this is the turn signal. It doesn't matter if you got the factory or if you got the aftermarket like I do. They all the same thing. The gray socket on the back of the headlight is the turn signal. But what you want to do is turn it, and you want to turn it going towards the passenger side. I'm doing the passenger side, so you'll be turning it towards the driver. As so, and then pull it out. And then you'll gain access to the bulb. So now what you want to do is pull that bulb out. And now we're going to put these Auxitos in. And these are the ones I'll be using. Nice build quality, extremely bright and everything. And this is the amber one. So now what you want to do, plug it in. Like so. And then what you want to do is fit it through. Make sure that the socket is flush to the back of the headlight housing, and then when locking it, you want to, remember this is the passenger side, so you want to turn it towards the passenger side. All right, that's all. And also, this is the no error one, so you won't get hyper flash with these. So I'm gonna proceed and do the other side. Be right back. All right, you can see immediately the Auxito over there is a whole lot brighter than the halogen you see over here. So halogen. And that's the Auxito LED. Sorry, the headlights are really bright. Let me turn off the... Alright, there you go. See how much brighter? Now back to daytime. Alright, so now the driver's side. Turn it counterclockwise. And then pull it out. Alright, put the new one in. Put it back in its hole. And turn it clockwise. Make sure that the socket is flush with the housing. And then once it's locked in place, we're gonna turn the turn signals on. And that's it. Like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.